just got to Faeri Glen Nature Reserve. You wouldn't believe it. 18 rand to enter here. I've never heard such a thing. How do you pay just to go into a nature reserve? Like really? Anyway, let's go in and see what is going on in here. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. I'm sure about that. Yeah, let's go. All right. Let's go see what we really paid for, if it's really worth it. So yeah, man, let's go in. I think there's like kids playing in here, so there is that. Oh, I wonder if it's possible to get there. I'll be very much more interested to go to the top hill. So we will see if there's like a trail that will take us to the top of the hill, or a mountain, if you would call it that. So let's see where this trail leads us. I'm eventually gonna go in, starting to be quiet now. Hopefully it is safe. I didn't even check the rules, what they said, whether you're supposed to walk alone or not, but you know me, we take the risks of getting into these parks by ourselves, just to see where some of the paths eventually are gonna take us. So let's go in, see what we see, what we get out of it. Yeah, whether there is a value for money, that 18 rand that we paid to being here. I don't think there is anybody in here this far. Like when I was signing in then, I think there were just 3 or 4 people that have came in today. So yeah, there's a little path in here. I don't even know if this would go somewhere interesting, but I think I will come back. Just gonna go a little bit further up and just see what lies ahead of us. I would have actually read the signs just to see what's in here. Is it dangerous? Yeah, just to be on the safe side. Okay, I'm gonna go on this other side. What does this one say? Adeda. Keep Sol. Keep us. Okay. Hopefully this route will take me to the hill. That will be very interesting. That will be nice. Let's go. Let's go in. See What lies ahead of fools. Yeah, I'm gonna take this side. I think I'm much more interested in this side that is going down towards the hills. To this mini bridge here, and there's some sort of water that's coming like here. So let's go. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting. Very nice. This way or this way? I think this way. Let's go down here. Oh, it's a pretty hot one. Today on the 18th, it's a Saturday. Yeah, doing what I do. Yeah, right here at Faeri Glen in Victoria. Just it's not too far from mainland. I just got off just after mainland, then walked a bit. I think it was like roughly a kilometer to come this far, where I got off the taxi. Yeah, and then there was a little bit of construction on the way. Yeah? Couldn't really walk on the road, but anyway, we are here now, and yeah, enjoying the moment. Really enjoying the moment. Yes, right now. Yeah. So quiet in the wilderness. Really quiet. Yeah, some of these trails just reminds me of Kloof-en-Dal Nature Reserve in the west, not too far from Westgate. Yeah, some of this trail a little bit similar. Pretty much quiet. Okay, I think this one is taking a little bit up the hill. Let me follow the trail and go up there. Hey, going up. It's a mission. Go up. Whew. Whew. Let's have a look what we've got going on here. Yeah. I wouldn't really tell you what I see since I'm new in like Pretoria, but what I can tell you is that where we are facing, we've got mainland in the background, and we also have that fancy place. What do they call it? Oh, it's gone. Maybe I'll think of it in a moment. Yeah, this is what we have happening here. Let me go a little bit up. Okay, let's carry on. Pretty much a lot of trees here. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I only met one person. I mean, it's like almost, how many minutes has this been? Maybe it's been almost 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm only seeing a first person now. Yeah. Yeah. We are going up again. bravery. Yeah. Whew. We are here. We made it. We made it to the top of the hill. How about that? How about that? Let's put my water bottle down. We made it to the top. Yeah, I think I entered from right there. That's where I entered. Yeah. I'm sweating. Holy cow. I'm sure if I'm to go further, I could go to that hill. But I'm pretty much a little bit tired. I think this is the toppest hill that I might want to go to. Yeah, other than that, hey, from here I think I'll be going down, shooting as I go. But yeah, man, it's pretty nice. Yeah, to be hiking here at Faeri Glen Nature Reserve. Oh, very nice walk. Exactly what somebody would need after a long week at work and eventually decide to come here, do the walk, even if it's not here but wherever is close to you. Oh, I don't think this is going to be stable. There might be a little bit of instability on my camera here. Yeah. How are you? Sure. Yeah, I think I've met a few people. I would say that makes me feel even much safer right now. Yeah, I've met almost close to 6 people. Yeah, so far. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Right, let's go this side. Oh, check this out. I wonder what was that. This is some sort of a bridge. Don't know. And from here you can get a great view of what's happening down here. Right on. So this is it. It's been nice here at Faeri Glen. You have walked pretty much a lot of trails, and yeah, and this is also one of the greatest that I've seen. Yeah, I also wouldn't mind coming back here, although I want to explore a little bit of other places in Pretoria. So I'll see you on my next vlog. Peace out.